Hello everyone, it's me, Chance. I'm gonna make a soda combination. I found the recipe online. It's for Nuka Cola, which is from Fallout, as if you gamers would know. That's where it's from. So, I've got my Mountain Dew, my Coca-Cola, and my cream soda. And I got my little Coca-Cola glass. So we're gonna do 1/3 cup of cream soda. One-third cup of Coca-Cola. And finally, 1/3 cup of Mountain Dew. Just to mix it up a little bit, see what happens. It fucking works. It fucking works. It fucking works. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Make your own Nuka Cola with cream soda and Mountain Dew and Coca-Cola. I will put the recipe at the end of the video to have your own Nuka Coca-Cola. Nuka Coca-Cola. Nuka Cola. Without the radiation plus 2. With the healing points plus 1, but also it is Nuka Cola. Yeah. See you later. Hey guys, I know the video said I'll see you later, but I filmed that earlier. But I wanted to say that the Nuka Cola tastes really good, especially without the radiation, of course. But it tastes really good. Like, it's almost sweet, but it's also almost like it's like some kind of, I don't know how to explain it. Make it yourself. Like I said, I will put the recipe at the end of the video, and I'm gonna go play some Fallout. Okay, and have fun drinking your Nuka Cola. Peace out. And I mean for reals this time. See you later.